Welcome to sunny South Florida. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and today we're touring the newest Valencia community in Boynton Beach, designed for those seeking privacy, comfort, world-class amenities, and the ultimate Florida lifestyle. Valencia is more than just a home. It is about retiring or relocating to a place where every detail, from resort-style amenities to beautifully landscaped streets, have been crafted for ease, elegance, and enjoyment. Imagine waking up to serene surroundings, private club-style living in a vibrant community that feels like home from the moment you arrive. If you're considering a move to South Florida for retirement or just that ultimate luxury lifestyle, you are in the right place. Let's take a closer look at what makes Valencia del Mar one of the most desirable addresses in Palm Beach. From the moment you walk inside the gorgeous Kendall model, the open concept design showcases a warm and inviting space with large format polished tile that flows seamlessly throughout the living areas. Offered at 3,174 square feet under air, with 3 bedrooms and a club room, 4 full bathrooms, and a split 3-car garage. The gourmet kitchen is a showstopper with stacked cabinets, a decorative wood hood, a spacious walk-in pantry, and quartz countertops with a full backsplash. Designer ceiling details, pendants above the oversized island, and designer millwork accents throughout elevate the space. The bedrooms feature engineered wood flooring, and the backyard features a large pool with marble pavers overlooking the lake, providing the perfect place to enjoy the outdoors all year round. At Valencia, the 55-plus lifestyle reaches new heights with exceptional resort-style amenities. The spectacular clubhouse features everything from an indoor pickleball court and yoga garden to a full-service spa and elegant restaurant. Lounge by the resort pool, meet friends for drinks at the patio bar, or explore your creativity in the art studio. Stay energized with group fitness classes, unwind in the sports lounge, or join one of the many clubs and activities offered daily. Thinking about making a move to South Florida, whether you're relocating for work, lifestyle, or just looking for that year-round sunshine, I'd love to be your local guide. I specialize in helping families and individuals relocate here, making the process smooth from start to finish. From finding the right neighborhood to navigating new construction to connecting you with trusted local resources, I've got you covered. So if you're considering a move, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm posting new construction tours every single week. When you're ready to take the next step, you can reach out to me directly or use the link in the description to schedule a call with me. We'll talk about your goals, your timeline, and I'll help you figure out the best options for you here in South Florida. Thank you for joining me on this tour of one of Palm Beach's most exclusive new construction communities. These luxury homes are more than just beautiful designs, they're about creating a lifestyle of elegance, comfort, and privacy here in South Florida. If you're considering a move to Palm Beach and want expert guidance on securing the perfect new construction home, I'd love to be your real estate resource of choice. My job is to simplify the process, give you insider access, and make sure you find a home that truly fits your vision. Be sure to subscribe for more luxury home tours across South Florida, and if this home feels like the right fit, all of my contact information is here. I'm Raphael Gonzalez, your local new construction expert, and I will see you on the next tour.